came today hoping that INEC that conducted the election that we are complaining about, that they will bring witnesses to justify the election which they conducted. Because we are saying that the election was not properly conducted, was not conducted in compliance with the Electoral Act, which is the law guiding INEC. So we came here very prepared to confront the INEC witnesses, cross-examine them as to what happened on the day of the election, and also as to the documents used and the forms used and the results in the election. We were here today only for INEC to say they are not calling any witnesses, they are not tendering any documents. Well, it is their case. They have a right to decide to call witnesses or not to call. So, but that is why the matter is being adjourned, because today was reserved for them to call their witnesses. So, since they said they don't have witnesses to call, they are not calling any witnesses. There's nothing more the tribunal will do but to adjourn. So we have adjourned. We'll come back on Friday, hoping the second respondent will be able to call witnesses. Let us confront them in this case.
Thank you.
Thank you.